Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Infinix Smart 6 HD has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is located on top right here. It's the phone call speaker. There's nothing on top, nothing on the left, and nothing on the right, but there's one speaker at the bottom right here and nothing on the back. Now we'll need to play some music and to determine if it's a mono or stereo speaker, if the sound is coming from both of the sources, this speaker and this one, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's play some music. So clearly sound is coming from the bottom source and not from the top one. And that means it's a mono speaker and not the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.